Welcome back, audio enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a world that sits right at the intersection of precision and creativity. Imagine a tool that can add depth to your compositions, paint vivid sonic landscapes, and breathe life into any track. You guessed it. Today we're exploring the power of advanced delay techniques in audio production. Whether you're sculpting a luscious vocal track or crafting compelling instrumental sections, advanced delay techniques can become your secret weapon. So, grab your headphones, settle in, and let's journey into the echoes of innovation. Our first stop is understanding multi-tap delay. Unlike a basic delay, which simply echoes the sound at a set interval, a multi-tap delay allows you to control multiple delay points or tap. Think of it as a choir of echoes, each adding its own unique color and texture. This technique is perfect for creating rhythmic patterns that drive your audio narrative forward. Imagine a single vocal line being transformed into a chorus of voices, each slightly offset to create a rich, tapestry-like sound. To wield this tool effectively, start by mapping out your taps to follow the groove of your track. Experiment with varying delay times, panning each tap across the stereo field to create a dynamic and immersive listening experience. By doing so, you're not only filling the sonic space, but also guiding your listener from one moment of intrigue to the next. Now, let's shift our focus to something a bit more ethereal. Reverse delay. This technique involves inverting the delayed signal, creating a unique swelling effect, but popular in genres like ambient and post-rock. Reverse delay can turn a mundane chord progression into something otherworldly. To achieve this, record your original sound, apply a delay, and then reverse the sample delay output. As the sound appears to rise into the main track, it can evoke emotions ranging from suspense to tranquility. When used sparingly, reverse delay provides a distinctive ebb and flow to your mix that keeps the audience engaged. Picture a gentle wave approaching the shore in slow motion, each swell building anticipation before gently receding. Try applying this technique to instrumental tracks or as a transitional element between sections for a seamless, evocative experience. Our third and final technique is ducking delay. This allows you to maintain clarity in your main signal, while still benefiting from the richness delay can offer. Ducking delay works by lowering the volume of the delayed signal whenever the main signal is present, then bringing it back up during the spaces in between. This is particularly useful in busy mixes, where too many layers can lead to an overwhelming and cluttered sound. Implement ducking delay by sidechaining the delay to the main track, letting your instrumental or vocal shine without being overshadowed by its own echoes. Imagine it like having a conversation where you wait for the other person to finish speaking before you chime in. Thoughtful, respectful, and effective. It's a dance between presence and absence, offering a clean yet lush soundscape. As we wrap up, remember these advanced delay techniques are more than just tools. They're gateways to a world of sonic possibilities. So I encourage you to take what you've learned today and experiment. Try combining techniques, push the boundaries of what seems possible, and most importantly, let your creativity guide you. What story can your music tell when enriched with these echoes of time? And there we have it, friends. Advanced delay techniques just waiting for your touch. Whether it's the rhythmic complexity of multi-tap, the dreamy allure of reverse, or the clarity brought by ducking delay, each offers a unique way to elevate your productions. Now, it's your turn. Dive into your projects and let these echoes guide you to new sonic horizons. Until next time, keep creating and keep exploring. Happy producing. Me, Nilchand.